Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blend photos in Canva to create smooth, professional looking images with beautiful transitions. Whether you're making a collage, a product post, or an artistic design, Canva gives you all the tools you need to blend photos seamlessly, even if you're not a design expert. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your computer or mobile device. From the home page, create a new design or open an existing project where you want to blend your photos. Make sure the images you plan to use are either uploaded from your device or easily accessible from Canva's photo library. Once you've added your first image to the canvas, it's time to prepare it for blending. If the background is distracting or doesn't fit your design, remove it using Canva's background remover tool. You can find this option in the top toolbar after selecting your photo. With just one click, Canva will cleanly remove the background, leaving you with a crisp subject that's ready to blend beautifully. Next, add the second image that you want to merge with the first. Position it roughly where you want the transition to appear. Now comes the fun part, blending them together. Select the top image and look for the transparency slider in the toolbar. By lowering the transparency, you'll start to see the two images merge naturally. Adjust the level until you get the perfect overlap. To enhance the effect even more, go to the Edit Photo section and explore blending tools such as duotone, filters, and adjust. Here, you can tweak the brightness, contrast, and blur to make your images blend more organically. For a soft, natural transition, reduce the contrast slightly and play with the blur until the edges look smooth. If you want a circular or spotlight style effect, use Canva's radial gradient technique. Simply add a shape, like a circle or oval, over your image, fill it with a gradient, and then adjust the transparency. This helps create that soft fade between photos, making them feel perfectly united. Once you're satisfied with the blend, review your design and make any last adjustments to color or composition. When everything looks just right, click Download to save your final image. And that's it. You've successfully blended photos in Canva like a pro. This simple technique can take your designs from basic to stunning in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out my other Canva tips and tricks to take your design skills to the next level. Happy designing!